guys, what is up and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a fashion haul. I've been wanting to incorporate more fashion and lifestyle stuff onto this channel for such a long time, and I'm going to start doing it with this haul. So I'm doing a Vici Dolls haul. It is a $500 Vici Dolls haul, and I love Vici. I've been following them and ordering from them for like 2 years, and I do have a discount code. I will put it across here for y'all, and I will be linking everything. So some of these things may be sold out right now, but they always restock literally all the time. They're so good about restocking, so I will leave each link to each item, and if it's sold out, sign up for the restock because they do that super quickly, and these pieces are so good. You're gonna want them all. So what I'm going to do is kind of talk you through them here, and then I'm also going to insert like little clips of me actually wearing them and how I would style each piece. And I'm going to jump in with one of my favorite super casual outfits for day to day. Okay, so the way I'm going to do this is I am going to show you each piece, and then I'm also going to like overlay some clips of me wearing them so you can see how they look on and also kind of how they style. And I am starting with this tee first. I absolutely love this t-shirt. It says Monday Blues. It is the softest material. Like, this t-shirt is so soft, and I did size up. So I'll tell you all the sizes that I'm wearing and everything. I'm usually a small in everything, and I sized up to a medium because I wanted it to be super slouchy so that I could knot it at the bottom. I feel like that just looks really cute and flattering, and I did pair it with a pair of shorts from them. So these shorts I absolutely love. I should have sized it down. So they come in small, medium, large, and the way that I was told was that a large would fit as a 26-27, and I'm a size 26, and I tend to size up in shorts, especially high-waisted shorts, because I have big legs and a big butt. So I ordered the large, and they were good at first, and then they started getting a little bit more baggy throughout the day, which is typical. So if you are a 26 or a 27, I would get the medium for sure. It's probably gonna be a little bit tight. Just do some squats, stretch them out a little bit, and you'll be fine. But they are such a cute pair of shorts, and I believe they have like another wash in these as well. I just love these. So they're high-waisted, but your butt doesn't hang out in the back. Like, I appreciate that so much. It's so hard to find shorts, and then the back pocket detail is really cute on these as well. So like I said, if you are a size 26 or 27, get the medium and you'll be golden. But I love these, especially paired with that tee. This next piece is one that I was a little bit hesitant about jumping on the bandwagon for, and it is overalls. But these ones are so cute because it's like a relaxed, slouchy fit, but still really chic looking. I was hesitant about it for 2 reasons. I do not have long, lean legs, and I was worried about that, and because I'm so short. But these have a drawstring waist, and then at the bottom it comes like cuffed, so I just roll it a couple more times, and I am obsessed with these. These are actually one of my favorite things in this haul. I did get a size small, and they fit so well. Like I said, they are more of a relaxed fit, but because it has the drawstring waist, it makes it really, really flattering, and I just layered it with a little white tank underneath. You could transition these into fall and do like a striped tee underneath, a long sleeve striped tee, and I think that would be super cute. Or you can kind of dress it up with a more dressed up tank or shirt underneath and heels. So I'm wearing a size small in this, and it fits so well. It's just oversized enough. It doesn't look baggy, and it's not too tight where I'm like restricted in my shoulders and my chest area. That's the problem that I have with button-up tops a lot. This one just flows perfectly, and I am obsessed with this one. This next one I feel like needs to be in everyone's closet. So I think this dress comes in this color, a blue and a red, and it is absolutely stunning. This is just one of those dresses that you need to have in your closet, you know, for weddings or special events that come up. It's so flattering. I love the neckline and the shoulders on this dress, and then it has a tie waist, and it is a maxi dress, but it's not incredibly long on me. For reference, I'm barely 5 feet tall, and it's fine with heels. And then it has this amazing slit up the leg, which I feel like just kind of makes it a little bit sexy without being too sexy, you know? And it's just stunning. I feel like this kind of silhouette is beautiful on everyone, and it's such an easy dress to have in your closet that you know is gonna look good on you, and you know is gonna be like perfect for any kind of special occasion. It's not too dressy, and it's just perfection. I really, really want it in the red as well, but I just love this color. I feel like it's so flattering, especially if you have dark features. I feel like this is really, really pretty. Definitely one of my favorite pieces in my closet now. So I may wear like dressy blouses in YouTube videos, but do not be fooled. I am all about that athleisure life. If you follow me on Instagram stories, you know I live in athleisure most of the time. And this one is so cute. This is like cute athleisure where, you know, you look comfy, you look cute, but it's not like sweatpants or leggings, you know? This is adorable. So I love this paired with a baseball hat and Converse or sneakers of any kind. It's so cute. So I did size up to a medium in this because I was nervous. On the site, it said like models wearing a size small. I was like, well, not that girl size. So I was worried about it being too tight, especially with something like this. You want it more relaxed, but it did come really relaxed. So I feel like I could have sized down to a small, but the medium still fits and it's really, really comfy. I love the contrast sleeves on here. It has an elastic waist, so it gives you a little bit of a waist, and then it has pockets, and it also has this little keyhole in the back. It is just so easy and so cute. You literally put on one piece of clothing, throw on a hat and some sneakers, and you look put together, but still really, really comfortable. This is going to be in like heavy rotation. I absolutely love this one. Clearly I have a thing for rust. I love this color. I feel like it's so perfect, especially transitioning into fall, but I know this top comes in numerous colors. I did get a size small in this one as well. I love this little detail on the front, and then this goes off the shoulder, and it's like one of those drapey off the shoulders, which I appreciate because I do have like broader shoulders for like my frame, and I feel like sometimes they just like pinch my arms and I can't move. So I love the drop shoulder. I feel like this is flowy but still really, really flattering. I love this paired with the white denim. So good. I'm going to go ahead and hold this up so the exposure doesn't go crazy. I love this top. I got it in a size small. It is like a flowy top. It has the knot front, which I'm obsessed with. And then the sleeves are really flowy. If you can see it here, it looks so much cuter on, so you guys will see that, but it is just really, really cute and simple, but it looks a little bit fancy, and I love the material of it. It's super lightweight, so you could wear this right now and transitioning into fall, and I'm totally going to be wearing this with a big hat and a leather jacket on top whenever the temps start to drop. So I have to show you guys and talk a little bit about this denim that you've seen me pairing with the tops. I adore this brand. It's called Can Can, and I know that they're gonna fit every single time. Every single time I am a solid 26, and they're so stretchy. Let me see if I can show you, like, they're so stretchy and so comfortable. They're super flattering. They always have really cool like distressed styles, and I'm barely 5 foot and I never have to tailor these. If anything, I can do like a little cuff at the end because they always have like these released hems and stuff, and it looks super cute. So I got the white pair, and then I also got, this is like the Universal Destroyed Skinny, I believe. And I also have these from them in the light wash, but I wanted to get the dark just because I love dark wash jeans, especially with fall coming up, and they just kind of go with everything. So Vici also has really good accessories that aren't gonna bust the bank. I love these. These are so similar to a pair that I had been eyeing on Nordstrom, and they're just really cute. They go with literally every single outfit that I got, and they're just neutral enough that you can wear them all season long. And I love this little laser cutout detail, and the chunky heel just makes it really, really easy to wear for anyone. Like, I could run around all day in these. And last but not least, these two bags. I'm the kind of girl, if I like something, I'm gonna get it in every color that I can because I like it that much. So this is my favorite bag at the moment. You can hold it like this, or it does have the removable strap. I just love this. I love the natural color. It goes with literally everything. I feel like I've said literally a lot in this video, but it goes with everything, and it's just such a chic color. And then I also got the black, which I feel like I'm gonna use all the time in fall. I feel like I've also talked about fall a lot. I am one of those people that is just over summer and ready for fall. So I love this bag so much. It's big, but it's not too big to where it's like overwhelming on my small frame, because I don't do like tiny bags. This one is perfect. And that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this Vici haul. Don't forget, I do have that discount code. It's Steph20. I will have it in the description box with everything linked. Like I said, if it is sold out, they always have that little bar that says, notify me whenever it's back in stock, because I do restock all the time and there's always new products. They put new products up literally every single day. So definitely check it out. I hope you guys will get some of these pieces. And if you guys like these haul videos, then let me know in the comments below so I can do some more. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Hit that notifications bell so you are notified every single time I put up a video. And follow me on Instagram because I'm going to be posting pictures of all of these pieces, styled photos, so you can get some inspiration if you do decide to get them for yourself. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.